Hello sa inyo mga riders. At ito po ang aking unboxing video para po sa Racing Boy MB2 shock, mono shock. So meron po siyang ayun po, may magandang sticker dito, RCB Premium Black. Ayan, original, by only the original. So yun po, ito po. At ang sukat niya ay 330 mm black MB2 Plus Series monoshock. Iyan, ito po. Ayan, okay naman. So yan, buksan na natin. Yun, napakaganda po, grabe ang ganda. Black gold RCB Premium. Yun po. So sabi na natin yan. Tingnan muna natin yung laman ng box. So, ito. Yan. May warranty card at may sticker. Silica gel, merong mga adjuster at saka bushing ba to? RCB. Okay, so yan yung laman ng box. Proceed na tayo. So ito na nga po ang ating Racing Boy shock. Ang ganda, grabe po. Napakaganda niya ako sa person. Bali ngayon po, ikakabit po natin ito sa Mio Graphics. Tignan natin kung anong kaibahan, kung ano ang advantage at disadvantage nitong shock na ito. Alright, ganda. Alright, nandito na po tayo sa machine shop at ipapa-adjust na po natin yung bushing para magkasya po dito sa shock na ito. Ayan, nakasalang na po ang ating bushing. Sige. Ayan, sinisentro na ho. Pinakabit na ang shock natin na Racing Boy 330 mm sa Graphics. Right, yan, nakabit na ang Racing Boy 330 mm sa ating Graphics. Tignan natin sa performance. Titimplahin pa natin. Okay, yan, sakay ng dalawang tao. Ang ganda. Ganda managtag. RCB MB2 series sa ating Graphics. Yan ang YouTube niya. Okay, okay. Okay, so after naman po naikabit ng Racing Boy shock natin, repack naman tayo ng front shocks. Ayan. Last na po. Simulan na nila. Okay, napakaganda ng managtag ng ating motor. Ayan. Racing Boy rear shock 330 mm. Tsaka repack ating front shock. Nice.
wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.